Welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be tackling a really important issue that a lot of people have in their homes. That issue is black mould. We're going to dive into where it comes from, how it's formed, and the best natural ways to get rid of it. And if you stay tuned to the end, we'll cover some top prevention tips to keep your home mould free. Let's get started. Black toxic mould, also known as Stachybotrys chartarum, is a type of fungus that can grow in damp, humid environments. While there's no clear link between black mould mycotoxins and deadly diseases, breathing them in or touching them may cause symptoms, especially in people with allergies, asthma and weakened immune systems. Even if you're in good health, mould should always be removed from your home. Mould spores are everywhere, but they need the right conditions to grow. This typically means a combination of moisture, warmth, and organic material. Common sources of moisture include leaks, high humidity, and condensation. Once these spores land on a damp surface, they can start to grow and spread. Common places where mould can thrive include basements, bathrooms, kitchens, and anywhere else with the potential for moisture buildup. Leaky pipes, poor ventilation, and wet clothes left in a pile are all potential culprits. Now let's talk about how to get rid of it. As you know, there are many cleaners out there available, but if you want to avoid something like this, and you want to avoid this, we're going to focus on natural methods that are effective and safer for your family and for your home. Just want to take a moment to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or comments, please pop them down in the comments section below. Thanks. Now, back to the video. First up, white vinegar. Now, a lot has been said about white vinegar and its range of uses for cleaning on social media, but the truth is, white vinegar really does work. From streak-free glass cleaning to removing watermarks from taps and shower chrome. White vinegar is a fantastic natural cleaner because it's acidic and can kill 82% of mould species. Just pour some white vinegar into a spray bottle, don't dilute it, spray it directly onto the mouldy area, let it sit from about 20 minutes to an hour, then wipe the area clean with water and let it dry thoroughly. Next, we have baking soda. It's not only great for cleaning, but also deodorizing. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. Shake it up until it dissolves, then spray it onto the mould. Use a scrub brush to remove the mould, then rinse the area with water. Finally, spray the solution again and let it dry to prevent future mould growth. Next up, we have hydrogen peroxide. Now, this product isn't the most widely available, but you can purchase it from some high street stores or online. Not everyone is comfortable with using this product. However, it is a very good disinfectant and is very effective mould killer. Just pour a small amount into a spray bottle. Again, don't dilute it and spray it directly onto the mouldy area. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, then again, wipe the area with clean water and let it dry thoroughly. Another couple of powerful natural solutions are tea tree oil and clove oil. They are essential oils, so they will be a little more expensive. However, they are extremely effective. Mix 1 teaspoon of either one of these oils with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake it well and spray it on the mould. There is no need to rinse, just let it sit. These oils do have powerful aromas, but they will dissipate in a few days. Prevention is key when it comes to mould. Here are some tips to help you keep mould at bay. Dehumidifiers can be quite expensive and so are not the most practical option for all. However, purchasing a unit will be beneficial in keeping down humidity levels below 50%. Mould loves moisture, so keeping the air dry is crucial. If you are unable to acquire a dehumidifier, at least ensure proper ventilation in high moisture areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Use exhaust fans or open windows to reduce humidity. Fix leaks promptly. Regularly inspect areas where leaks might occur, such as under sinks, around windows and in basements. Address any issues immediately to prevent mould from gaining a foothold. Clean and dry any areas that get wet immediately. This includes shower tiles, kitchen counters and any other surfaces prone to moisture. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of black mould in your home. Remember, the key is to keep things dry and clean. If you would like further information on natural products to use around the home, check out our video How to Clean Your Home Naturally, which is packed full of natural formulas for all types of cleaning around the home, with the measurement amounts for each cleaning task. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning news, tips and ideas. Thanks for watching.